Hi dear children, welcome back to our chemistry class. Today's new topic is empirical formula. Empirical formula of a compound. Empirical formula is a simplest formula. What is that? Empirical formula is a simplest formula. Okay, it is a simplest formula which gives the simplest ratio. Which gives the simplest ratio in whole number of atoms. Okay, whole number of atoms of different element present in one molecule of a compound. ഒരു compound present ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന different elements ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും അല്ലേ, അവരുടെ atomic ratio എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഏറ്റവും simplest ratio നമുക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനും അതുവഴി ആ ഒരു കോമ്പൗണ്ടിന്റെ സിംപ്ലസ്റ്റ് ഫോർമുല നമുക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനും സാധിക്കും. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ആൻ എംപിരിക്കൽ ഫോർമുല. ഓക്കെ, എംപിരിക്കൽ ഫോർമുല ഈസ് എ simplest formula which gives the simplest ratio. Okay, which gives the simplest ratio in whole number of atoms or in whole number of atoms of different element. Whole number of atoms of different elements present in the one molecule of a compound. Definition will come. Okay, define empirical formula. What is empirical formula? Empirical formula is a simplest formula. Empirical formula is a simplest formula which gives the simplest ratio in whole number of atoms of different elements. Whole number of atoms of different elements present in the one molecule of a compound. Clear? Know the definition of empirical formula. Numerical part only will come from this section. Okay, very important topic. Numerical parts മാത്രമാണ് നമ്മൾ concentrate ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. Okay, this is the question. What is the question? Find the empirical formula of the compound. We need to find the empirical formula of the compound. The following percentage. Okay, percentage they given. Zinc is an element, chlorine is another element. They give the percentage. Zinc percentage is 47.8% and chlorine percentage is 52.2%. ഇതാണ് question എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Okay, find the empirical formula of the compound. Okay, അവർ തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് സിങ്കിന്റെ പെർസെന്റേജ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്, ക്ലോറിന്റെ പെർസെന്റേജ് 52.2 എന്ന് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. Okay, then find out the empirical formula. അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് ഇത് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനൊരു we need to box. നമുക്കൊരു ബോക്സ് വേണം. ഫസ്റ്റ് വിച്ച് ആർ ദ എലമെന്റ്സ് ദേ ഗിവൺ. അവർ ഏതൊക്കെ എലമെന്റ്സ് ആണ് നമുക്ക് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്? സിങ്ക് ആൻഡ് ക്ലോറിൻ. ഓക്കെ, സിങ്ക് ആൻഡ് ക്ലോറിൻ. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദേ ഗിവൺ എലമെന്റ്സ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് നമുക്ക് ആ എലമെന്റ്സ് ഏതൊക്കെയാണ് നമുക്ക് എഴുതാം. ഓക്കെ, സിങ്ക് and chlorine. Then next one is percentage composition. Percentage composition 40. Zinc percentage composition of zinc is 47.8%. Okay, 47.8%. Chlorine percentage is 52.2%. Okay, chlorine percentage 52.2%. Zinc percentage 47.8. Okay, so atomic mass. Sometimes in question paper atomic mass they given. Otherwise we want to study. Okay, so atomic mass of zinc is 65. Okay, atomic mass of zinc is 65. Then atomic mass of chlorine we know that is 35.5%. Okay, what is the atomic mass of zinc? 65. Okay, chlorine atomic mass 35.5%. Then atomic mass ratio. How we can find out the atomic mass ratio? Atomic mass ratio is the ratio of percentage composition to the atomic mass. Okay, what is the atomic mass ratio? Atomic mass ratio is the ratio of percentage composition. Atomic mass of mass ratio of zinc, that is percentage composition 47.8 divided by 47.8 divided by atomic mass, that is 65. Okay, similarly we can find out the chlorine, that is 52.2 divided by 35.5. Okay dear children, so percentage atomic mass ratio എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് percentage composition divided by atomic mass. Okay, so zinc ഇപ്പൊ നിങ്ങൾ ഈ ഓർഡറിലാണ് എഴുതുന്നത് വെച്ചാൽ നിങ്ങൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് കോളം ഡിവൈഡഡ് ബൈ സെക്കൻഡ് കോളം യു ക്യാൻ റൈറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് percentage composition divided by atomic mass ratio. Percentage composition divided by atomic mass is the atomic mass ratio. What is atomic mass ratio? Percentage composition divided by atomic mass. So 47.8 divided by 65, that is equal to 0.73. Okay, what is that? 0.73. 52.2 divided by 35.5 is the answer 1.46. Okay, 1.46. നിങ്ങൾ അത് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്ത് തന്നെ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കണം. ഓക്കെ, I hope you know the division part. Okay, so 47.8 divided by 65 is equal to 0.73 and 52 divided 0.2 divided by 35.5 is equal to 1.46. Which one is the lowest value? Then value, less value, 0.73. Correct? No, dear children, 0.73 is the less value. No. Okay? So we can take that 0.73. A 0.73 കൊണ്ട് ഈ രണ്ട് വാല്യൂസിനെയും നമ്മൾ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ that is the simplest ratio. Okay, അപ്പോൾ ഏറ്റവും ചെറിയ വാല്യൂ ഏതാണോ that we can select. എന്നിട്ട് ആ വാല്യൂ കൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ ഈ രണ്ടെണ്ണത്തിനെയും ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാം. So 0.73 divided by 0.73. Okay, similarly 1.46 divided by 0.73. Okay, 0.73 divided by 0.73 and chlorine case 1.46 divided by 0.73, that is equal to 0.73 divided by 0.73 is 1. Here you will get 2. Okay, clear no? So 2 is that. So here simple empirical formula nammal zinc inde thaale 1. Zinc is only 1, no. Chlorine 2. So the empirical formula of that compound is zinc chloride. Okay, what is the empirical formula of that compound is zinc chloride. Okay, dear children, now clear no? Here ratio is the zinc ratio 1:2. So we can identify that, we can confirm that the formula of empirical formula of that compound is zinc chloride, ZnCl2. Is it clear, dear children? Is it clear no? So next question we can do. Next question. Find the empirical formula of the compound with the following composition. So magnesium, they given the percentage composition, that is 9.76%. Sulfurs, they given 13.01%. Oxygen, what is the percentage of that? 26.01%. And water, they given that is 51.22%. Okay, 51.22%. So first we need to draw the column. Okay, so first one is element. First box then the element. Then what is that? Percentage composition. Okay, percentage composition. Then atomic mass. Okay, then next atomic mass. Then atomic mass ratio. Okay, atomic mass ratio. Then simplest ratio. Then next one is simplest ratio. Okay, dear children, so which are the elements they given? Magnesium they given, then sulfur, then oxygen, then water they given. Okay, magnesium is there, sulfur is there, oxygen is there, and water is there. So magnesium percentage 9.76%, sulfur percentage 13.01%, oxygen percentage 26.01%, water percentage they given 51.22%. Okay, atomic mass of magnesium. Atomic mass of magnesium is 24. Okay, sulfur mass 32, oxygen 16, water 18. Clear, dear children? Clear? The magnesium 24, sulfur 32, oxygen 16, water 18. So atomic mass ratio. What is atomic mass ratio? Percentage composition divided by atomic mass. Percentage composition divided by atomic mass. So 9.76 divided by 24 here. Sulfur, that is 31.01% divided by 32. Then oxygen 26.01 divided by 16. Water 51.22 divided by 18. Then find out the answer, dear children. Okay, 9.76 divided by 24. What is the answer? 0.406. What is that? 0.406. Okay, then here sulfur. Here also you will get 0.406. Okay, then you will get 1.625. Okay, 1.625. Then here you will get 2.84. Okay, so 9.76 divided by 24, you will get 0.406. 13.01 divided by 32, you will get also 4.406. 26.01 divided by 16, that you will get 1.625. Okay, 51.22 divided by 18, you will get a 2.84. Then we need to find out the simplest ratio. Which one is the lower value? 0.406, correct? No? 0.406 is the simplest ratio. So, take a 0.406. That then we need to divide all the atomic mass ratio. Atomic mass ratio lower value divide. So 0.406 divided by 0.406. Then here 0.406 divided by 0.406. Here also 1.625 divided by 0.406. Okay, here 2.84 divided by 0.406. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ഈ അറ്റോമിക് മാസ് റേഷ്യോനെ എല്ലാത്തിലും ഏറ്റവും ചെറിയ വാല്യൂ കൊണ്ട് എല്ലാറ്റിനെയും നമ്മൾ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്താൽ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് കിട്ടും? സിംപ്ലസ്റ്റ് ratio നമുക്ക് കിട്ടും. So first answer 1. 4 same value we can cancel. Here also 1 will come here. Here 4 will come. Here 4 will come. Okay, 1.625 divided by 0.406 is equal to 4 will come. Here 7 will come. Okay, 7. So magnesium 1. Okay, magnesium 1. Sulfur 1. Oxygen 14. Then how many water molecule is there? 7 water molecule is there. So 7 H2O. So we can write the empirical formula of that compound: magnesium sulfate 7H2O. Magnesium sulfate 7H2O. This is the answer, dear children. Clear, no? First elements name. So every either if it is molecule, that you can write. Okay, then percentage composition, then atomic mass, then atomic mass ratio. Atomic mass ratio is the percentage composition divided by atomic mass. Then you find out the answer. Then last is simplest ratio. What is simplest ratio? Which one is the lower value of that from that atomic mass ratio? You can select that one. First you select which one is the lower value. In the the atomic mass ratio divide. So you will get the simplest ratio. Okay, dear children. So you can write, find out the empirical formula of the compound. What is that? MgSO4 7H2O. Okay, is it clear? No? Next question. The molecular formula of an organic compound, organic acid, is CH3COOH. Okay, molecular formula of organic acid is CH3COOH. We need to find out the empirical formula. Find the empirical formula. So molecular formula of an acetic that is organic acid is CH3COOH. Okay, how we can write that one? How many carbon is there? 2 carbon is there. How many hydrogen? 3 plus 1, 4 oxygen is 4 hydrogen is there. And how many oxygen? 2 oxygen is there. Okay, so carbon number is 2, hydrogen number is 4, then oxygen number is 2. We know the empirical formula is the simplest ratio. Okay, so here ratio 2:4:2, no? Okay, so simplified it. So we can divide by using that 2. So which one is the lower value? That is 2, no? So we can divide it by 2. Okay, so 1:2:1. Okay, 1:2:1. So the empirical formula of that compound is C1. Okay, H2, oxygen 1. That means CH2O. CH2O. This is the empirical formula of that compound. Okay, so acetic acid, if they given molecular formula of organic acid, then find out the empirical formula. First you write the ratio of that compound. Okay, our compound in the ratio is numbers that is the ratio. Okay, then simplified. Okay, which one is the lower value? Otherwise, divide simplest ratio you will get. So you can finally you will get the empirical formula of that compound. Clear, no, dear children? Okay, first carbon, how many carbon? 2 carbon. How many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen. How many oxygen? 2. Then you write 2:4:2. 2. Okay, then say lowest value is 2, then you can divide it. So 1 is 2, that means 2 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2. Okay, so you will get a 1 is 2, 2 is to 1. So see carbon, how many carbon? 1 carbon. How many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. Oxygen, how many? 1 oxygen. So the formula of, empirical formula of that compound is CH2O. Clear now? Listen this question. An organic compound has oxygen. Okay, an organic compound has oxygen 26.24%, hydrogen 4.92%. Find its empirical formula. That is a question. Organic compound oxygen is percentage and hydrogen is percentage and find its empirical formula. We know organic compound must contain carbon, hydrogen mainly, okay, and oxygen also will be there. So carbon illade or organic compound undavilla. That is must. Okay, carbon and hydrogen is important. Okay, so here oxygen percentage they given 26.24, hydrogen percentage they given 4.92%, dear children. So we need to find out what is the percentage of carbon. Okay, carbon only in the burner. So we need to find out the percentage of carbon. Okay, we know the total percentage is in 100. Okay, total percentage is 100. So we can easily find out the percentage of carbon. Okay, so percentage of carbon. Percentage of carbon. How we can find out? We know total percentage is 100. Okay, we know total percentage is 100. That means carbon percentage plus hydrogen percentage plus oxygen percentage. So that is 100%. Okay, carbon percentage, hydrogen percentage, oxygen percentage chernalana 100%. So percentage of carbon, how we can find out? Carbon percentage we can keep it there. So 100%. This 2% add the 100 and then minus chida, we will get the percentage of carbon. Hydrogen percentage name, oxygen percentage name, add the kitty answer 100 and then minus chida, higher carbon percentage kittum. Okay, so 100 minus percentage of hydrogen plus percentage of oxygen. Okay, this is the percentage of carbon. Clear, no dear children? So percentage of carbon in that is minus percentage of hydrogen, that is 4.92. Okay, 92 plus oxygen percentage, that is 26.24. Okay, so 100 minus 4.92 plus 26.24. So you will get add 100 minus -68.84. Okay, 68.84 in the term, that is a percentage of carbon. Clear, no dear children? So percentage of carbon in the 100 minus total percentage of the hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, total percentage of the hydrogen and oxygen. So you will get the percentage of carbon. So percentage of carbon, hydrogen percentage we know and oxygen percentage we know. So elements. Okay, next step is box. So first step element. Okay, then percentage composition, then atomic mass, then atomic mass ratio, then simplest. Okay, simplest ratio. Okay, element, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Percentage of carbon 68.84. Then percentage of hydrogen 4.92. Then percentage of oxygen 26.24. Okay, so percentage of carbon 68.84. Percentage of hydrogen 4.92%. Percentage of oxygen 26.24%. Then atomic mass. Atomic mass of carbon 12. Atomic mass of hydrogen 1. Atomic mass of oxygen 16. Then find out the atomic mass ratio. Atomic mass ratio is the percentage composition divided by atomic mass. So 68.84 divided by 12. Here 4.92 divided by 1. Here 26.24 divided by 16. So find out the answer, dear children. So you will get 68.84 divided by 12 is 5.74. Okay, 5.74. Next you will get 4.92. Okay, next you will get 1.64. Okay, so 5.74, 4.92, 1.64. And what is the next step? Which one is the lower value? Which one is the lower value? 1.64. 1.64 ആണ് അതിൽ ഏറ്റവും ചെറിയ വാല്യൂ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. So we can divide that by 5.74 divided by 1.64. Then 4.92 divided by 1.64. Then 1.64 divided by 1.64. So this is 1. Here you will get a 3. Here you will get 3.5. Okay. Listen carefully now. 3.5, 3, 1. We need to convert into whole number. നമുക്ക് ഇതിനെ ഈ പോയിന്റ് മാറ്റിയിട്ടുള്ള നമ്പേഴ്സ് വേണം ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട്. So പോയിന്റ് വരുന്ന ഏതൊരു സംഖ്യ സിംപ്ലസ്റ്റ് റേഷ്യോയിൽ വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ you can multiply it by 2. ഇതിനെ എല്ലാത്തിനെയും നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? Multiplied by 2 ചെയ്തിട്ട് വേണം എംപിരിക്കൽ ഫോർമുല എഴുതാനായിട്ട്. മറക്കരുത്. മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ? 0.5 സിംപ്ലസ്റ്റ് റേഷ്യോയില് ആൻസറിൽ 0.5 വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നിങ്ങൾ അതിലുള്ള എല്ലാ വാല്യൂസിനെയും കാർബണിന്റെ സിംപ്ലസ്റ്റ് റേഷ്യോ, ഹൈഡ്രജൻ സിംപ്ലസ്റ്റ് റേഷ്യോ, ഓക്സിജൻ സിംപ്ലസ്റ്റ് റേഷ്യോ, ഇനി സംടൈംസ് അതർ കോമ്പൗണ്ട്സ് വിൽ കം, അതിന്റെ എല്ലാ സിംപ്ലസ്റ്റ് റേഷ്യോനെയും 2 കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തിരിക്കണം. ഓക്കെ, so clear now, dear children? So multiplied by 2. So 3.5 into 2, 7. Then 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. Then 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. Okay, dear children? So carbon, that is 7 is to 6 is to 2 is the ratio. So carbon 7. Then hydrogen 6, oxygen 2. So this is the empirical formula of that compound. What is the empirical formula of that compound? C7H6O2. Okay, C7H6O2. This is the empirical formula of that compound. Clear now, dear children? I hope you clear now. So ഇവിടെ നോക്കേണ്ട ഒരു കാര്യം, നമുക്ക് ഓർഗാനിക് കോമ്പൗണ്ടില് കാർബൺ ഇസ് മസ്റ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മുടെ ഈ കോമ്പൗണ്ടിൽ കാർബണും ഹൈഡ്രജനും ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം. കാർബൺ അപ്പൊ ഇത് നമുക്ക് ഹൈഡ്രജന്റെയും ഓക്സിജന്റെയും പെർസെന്റേജ് ഓൺലി ദേ ഗിവൺ. സോ ഡിയർ ചിൽഡ്രൻ, വി നീഡ് ടു ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് ദ പെർസെന്റേജ് ഓഫ് കാർബൺ. ഓക്കെ, കാർബണിന്റെ പെർസെന്റേജ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. സോ ഹൗ വി ക്യാൻ ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് ദ പെർസെന്റേജ് ഓഫ് കാർബൺ? 100 minus total percentage of the hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, so you will get a 68.84. Then element, percentage composition, atomic mass ratio, simplest ratio. As usual, so you will get the last answer. 0.5 will be there. So we need to convert into whole number. So all the values we need to multiply by 2. Okay, so 3.5 into 2 is equal to 7. That is a carbon. Okay, 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. That is an hydrogen. Then oxygen 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. So the empirical formula of that compound is C7H6O2. Clear now?